Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This serene, very private property sits on bedrock of limestone approximately 450 feet above sea level. Its elevation offers an incredible, unique 340-degree view of the sea. The 60-foot long front covered terrace is ideal for 2 to 12 people for bird watching or a special spiritual experience. The exclusive subdivision of Sansan is located in the peaceful parish of Portland, where the forest meets the sea. The property consists of 4 and 1/3 acres and is situated 15 minutes from the town of Port Antonio and the state-of-the-art Errol Flynn Marina. The traditional style villa offers a spacious kitchen, separate dining room, bar room, and living room, all open to the amazing vista. A library and full bathroom are also with this section of the villa. The 3 bedrooms, all with bath en suite, are separate from the living area by a breezeway. This offers the ultimate privacy. All bedrooms are air conditioned. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 2.7 million or Jamaican $415.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.